Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to build an image classifier with no coding. So we're gonna build this tool and it's gonna be able to differentiate between different objects and different faces with no coding knowledge required. So essentially this is a tool built by Google. It's an amazing web-based tool called Teachable Machine, and it's really powerful, no coding required. You can build your own models there, and you can build stuff to classify even different sounds or different faces. So what I'm gonna do today, I have this bottle here today, so I'm gonna build this tool to actually recognize my face and this bottle. And I probably also have this file here and these three stuffs, like this file here, my cute face, and this bottle here. So I actually have two pieces here. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is head onto Google and type teachable machine. Teachable machine. Oh, sorry, I got that wrong. Teachable machine, Google. Okay, here it is. So to make stuff easier for those of you who are following up, I'm just gonna type the link directly in the search bar. So that's gonna be teachable machine dot with google.com. So go ahead and type teachable machine dot with google.com, right? And then hit enter, and this is gonna lead you to the teachable machine UI. So this is it. It's very user friendly. Now what we have to do is very easy. You just have to click on get started. So the way this is categorized is you can build a tool that can differentiate between different images, and you can build something that can differentiate between different audios, so basically sounds, and you can build something that can differentiate between different poses, so like postures and shapes. Now for us today, we're gonna build something that is gonna differentiate between different images, right? That is my face, the file, and then the bottle. So we're gonna click on image model. So you can there are two options here for standard image model and then for embedded image models. So embedded image models are basically best for microcontrollers. We have our images here, so I'm just gonna click on standard image model. Now what happens is that we're gonna give a data. So like in basically in machine learning and all of AI and data science kind of stuff, your model needs data to actually train stuff, right? So we're gonna give this a data, but in traditional machine learning, you actually give your model the data and then you have to train it, you have to program it to show it how to actually go ahead and give you the desired results that you want. But here, all we have to do essentially is just to give our model the data, right? And here the data here means the images, my face, the water bottle, and then the file, right? And then teachable machine is basically gonna do everything for me. So I'm gonna start with my face. So I can rename this. I'm just gonna name this my name Cherno because basically it's for me, and I'm gonna use the webcam to actually record my face. You can also upload an image, but I'm gonna use the webcam. So allow access. Now here's my face. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna um, hold to record our different shapes of my. Okay, so this is 66 image samples. This is pretty good. Um, Next is for the water bottle. So I'm just gonna name this bottle. So I'm also gonna use the webcam for the water bottle, right? Now, to prevent my model from being biased, I'm actually only gonna record the water bottle and I'm not gonna record my face, right? So I'm gonna do something like this, just trying to move this ahead, and I'm gonna do something like so. Notice you also have to hide your hand because the tool might actually think that your hand is part of the bottle, right? So I'm just gonna hide my hand and okay, let's have somewhere around 60 something. Okay, this is cool. And the last one is basically the file. So I will add a new class, add a class and file, right? And I'm also gonna use the webcam to actually upload. So I'm gonna be like something like this. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. Let's aim for somewhere around 60 something also. 68. This is pretty good. So this is it. This is it. Now all we have to do, we feed the data of journal, of the bottle, and then of the file. Now all we have to do is just to click on train model, and teachable machine is essentially going to do everything for us. There are some precautions to take ahead here. For instance, you can't switch between tabs. Like I've never tried, but they always give this notification that do not switch between tabs until the model has trained loading. So we're gonna wait for it to load. So notice, just like in traditional machine learning and all of data science kind of stuff, the more data you have, and the more like data you fed into the model, the more it takes time to actually do your training. So we have three classes here and each about 60 something. If there was something about less classes and few images, it will take faster. But then also the more stuff you have, the more better it is in training your stuff. So here it is. This is amazing. Now on the right side, here is the output. Now this is Cherno. It gets Cherno 100%. Like it is 100% sure that it is saying Cherno here, right? The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it on my bottle. So I'll try to hide my face, and just for the bottle. Wow, it got the bottle also, right? It got the bottle also 100%. So it is 100% sure that it is actually seeing a water bottle. And the third one is to actually try it on a file. Wow, it also got the file. So notice what happens when I try to mix my face with the bottle. So it isn't so, right? That's because I'm showing it two different stuffs. So you can also add a class of my face and then the bottle, and then you'll be like a mixture of Cherno's face and the water bottle, right? The amazing thing about this, it is very easy for prototyping, and more importantly is you can also export your model. So you can basically train it and then export all of the codes. Like you can download your model and then export all of the code. If you are a JavaScript developer, um, there's this JavaScript library for machine learning called TensorFlow.js. It's a very cool tool. You can check out Google's developer group. They have some courses on it. You can actually train your model with JavaScript. And if you are into Python, you can use TensorFlow to actually train this model or actually refine it more. So this is basically it about this teachable machine. So as you can see, it's a very amazing user web-based tool, and it's very straightforward. All you have to do, you just have to feed it your data, and instead of the programming and all of those stuff, it does everything for you, right? So this is it. If you have any other questions or you want me to make any videos on any other topics, please let me know in the description below. So see you guys in the next video.